Breaking the ice, mastering conversations. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a phrase that's crucial for social interactions, especially when meeting new people. Have you ever wondered how to break the ice and start a conversation smoothly? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Grab your notebooks, and let's unravel the secrets of breaking the ice. Break the ice is an idiom that means to initiate a conversation or create a more relaxed atmosphere in a tense or formal setting. It originates from the days when ships would get stuck during winter, and smaller ships, known as icebreakers, would rescue them by breaking the ice. Similarly, in social situations, breaking the ice involves saying or doing something to alleviate tension or awkwardness, making everyone feel more comfortable. This phrase is perfect for social gatherings, meetings, or even dates where people are meeting for the first time or are not yet comfortable with each other. Breaking the ice can involve asking open-ended questions. Questions that can't be answered with a simple yes or no. Encourage conversation. Sharing a light-hearted story or joke. This can relax the atmosphere and make people laugh. Offering a genuine compliment. This can make someone feel appreciated and more open to conversation. Remember, the key is to be authentic and considerate of the other person's feelings and cultural background. Let's put break the ice into context with some examples. At a networking event, you might say, "I've heard great things about your recent project. Could you tell me more about it?" On a first date, you could share a funny anecdote from your day to lighten the mood. In a new class or workshop, introduce yourself and ask someone about their interests related to the class topic. Break the ice is more than just a phrase. It's a skill that can greatly enhance your social interactions and help you build connections. Practice this in your daily conversations, and you'll find it easier to engage with new people and create comfortable, friendly environments. Remember, the art of conversation starts with the courage to take the first step. So go ahead, break the ice, and watch the magic of communication unfold. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video helps you confidently navigate your social journeys.